I want you to look into that and say shout out to Kibaki Videos.
Shout out to Kibaki Videos.
And shout out to Blake Media.
And shout out to Black Media.
Word. So, what's your name?
I'm Priscilla.
Priscilla? My name is Blake from Blake Media. How are you?
I'm good.
So, what brings you to 42nd Street today?
Well, actually, I work around here, and I chose to come here to take pictures and just look around. That's it.
Now, what do you do for work, if you don't mind my asking?
Oh, well, I work like a restaurant. Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I do. Yeah.
Restaurant work? Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, you said also to take pictures. Do you like taking pictures?
Not really, but
yeah,
I'm beginning to like it.
Okay. Does this help you in whatever direction you're moving in when you say you're beginning to like it? Because sometimes you ever heard somebody say we have a good side and not a good side? Things like that?
Well, actually, at first I didn't. It's like I didn't have much of confidence.
Yes.
So when you take a picture of me, I'm like, no, don't try. But now I'm like, I want to take it more. Like, I feel so happy when taking it.
Now I'm going to tell you what I saw.
Okay.
I saw a beautiful woman that was by herself, that was into herself, taking shots of herself.
Thank you.
Now, a total stranger, but the energy was the attraction. And look at the way you're dressed. Also attractive.
Thank you.
So you stand out.
Thank
okay?
you. Thank
so
you.
What you say may not be working is clearly working.
Yeah.
Now, is this the first time you ever been asked to be interviewed?
Yeah.
Really?
It's the first time. Like...
and you're surprised.
Yeah.
But see, this is an experience that you can take home. You can send back to your family in Ghana or whomever.
Yeah.
You can say, this guy, Blake Media from Boston, wanted to interview me.
Yeah.
And I was kind of surprised by it, but as it turns out, so you said you finished with schooling.
Yes.
What did you go to school for?
Well, College of Education.
Okay.
So I was like a teacher.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, Ghana.
Yes.
How long have you been here?
Here, about 6 months.
6 months?
Yeah.
Oh wow. So okay, so you went from Ghana to New York.
Yes.
Yeah. So you haven't been anywhere else in this country?
No, just here.
Okay. Well, I will say, okay, why here?
Well, my mom and my siblings are here, so I just
okay. That's a justifiable reason.
Yeah.
And in your thinking, do you want to go other places in the country?
Yes.
Like
That's my
where?
dream. Like I want to go to Japan, China, Thailand, like those Asian countries. I want to go everywhere.
All right.
Yeah, and London.
So, in Atlanta?
London.
Oh, London.
Yeah.
Okay, London. And why those places?
Well, I'm the type who's into like Asian movies. That's like I've seen a lot of things, but I've not been there. Why not? Why not go there and see what is going on?
So you said in the Asian movies?
Yeah.
Okay, that's very different.
Yeah.
So in your culture, was there something about you that that made you say that because it's so unique, it's different, it's attractive? Things that are different are attractive.
Yeah. So there are a lot of different things in our country. It's like we have a lot of culture, but when I got here, it's like there's no culture. I don't see nothing.
So I want you to look into that and say shout out to Kibaki Videos.
Shout out to Kibaki Videos.
And shout out to Blake Media.
And shout out to Black Media.
Word.
Flip. Over your head. Over your head. Now you're going to follow me, all right? Let's go. Go to the side. And down. Head down. Perfect. Now let me see. To the lower toe. Everybody, step all the way up to the lower toe. It's about to get crazy. Head down, please. You don't want to see this. All right, now listen up, ladies. Ladies, I need y'all to, this is live. This is real. Now keep it in mind, if you don't want to see it, you don't want to do it. This is a party, not a funeral. So on the count of 3, I need you clapping, screaming, slap the person next to you. No violence. New York energy. On 3. On 3. I gotta play my favorite song. It's not Hannah Montana. Shut up, all right? That was one time. You shut up, okay? Hannah's good, okay? On 3. New York energy. Don't let me down.
So nice. No, they do.